Hello, what is up guys? Amine from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners. I appreciate you all. And I highly suggest yung mga podcast listeners dyan to head over to YouTube kasi medyo may visuals tayo for today's episode and mas magiging beneficial if you can see what I'll be doing. But yeah, anyway, today papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako tumitingin ng financial reports using PSE Edge. Kasi as I've said before, kung hindi nyo pa alam, pag pinindot nyo isang company, for example, TEL, so pwede nyo makita dito no, sa financial reports tab nila. Yung for the last year, and then yung for the quarterly period. So for this one, ang weird no kasi hindi na nila ni-release dito yung for the fourth quarter. Pero kasi available na yung ano nila based sa company disclosures. Available na yung annual report nila. So yan. You can just look at it here sa page na to kasi pag minsan din hindi pa to na-update agad. Let's see if we can find something. By the way, pag nasa home ko yung PSE Edge, meron kayong parang bird's eye view ng mga reports, ng mga nangyayari, company announcements, financial reports, other reports, then yan, may yung mga halts and suspensions, making aware din kayo. And then yung dividends, ito, na-update naman to, I think, real time. And then yung summary, yung changes sa indices. And then exchange notice, disclosure, listing, and yung mga most viewed disclosures. So, yeah. Just an FYI for you guys. But anyway, pwede rin tayo magpunta sa company list. Then, click on company disclosures. And then, financial reports. So, makikita nyo dito lahat ng annual reports, quarterly reports ng mga companies. So, let's see LTG. So, meron na rin silang annual report, no? So, no March 25 pa. So, if we click on financial reports, yes, update naman. December 31, 2020. Okay. Nung last time ko kasing tinignan to, I think that was exactly March 25. December 31, 2019 pa rin yung nakalagay. But yeah, it's a good thing na na-update na nila agad. Anyway, so yun, puntahan natin si TEL. So, if mas convenient sa inyo, pwedeng tingnan nyo na lang dito, no? Kasi kita nyo naman lahat dito. Yung mga mahalagang statements or yung mga halagang figures or mga halagang particulars. Then, yung assets, equity. And then, yung mahalaga yung revenue, expenses, and then yung income. So, for this one, this is in millions. So, last year, for the whole year of 2020, yung income nila after taxes was 24.5 billion pesos. Comparing it to 22.7 billion pesos, mas malaki pa yung kinita ni PLDT last year kahit na may pandemic. Well, first, siguro naisip kong first reason dyan is because mas maraming nag-work from home. Well, karamihan talaga, halos lahat is nag-work from home. So, like, yung mga naka-mobile data lang before kasi nag-office sila, napilitan silang magpakabit ng internet. So, yeah, that is like direct income or like direct revenue para sa PLDT. Okay, anyway, main point, yeah, pwede nyo makita dito lahat ng like basic na particulars. But if you want to go in depth, you can go to the company disclosures and then i-download nyo yung annual report. So, pagka pinindot nyo tong annual report, ito yung makikita nyo. So, ayan. Full screen na lang natin. I think, yan, pwede kong i-full screen. Ayan, basahin nyo lang ng konti. Hindi naman siya ganun kahalaga. Blah, 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 blah. Actually, wala ka makukuha dito masyado, no? Well, andito pala. Actually, ko lang nalaman doon, no? Na meron din pala dito. Kasi usually talaga, nag-rely lang ako doon sa page nila sa PSE Edge, yung financial reports doon. But yeah, andito rin naman pala. Along with the financial ratios. Okay, that is a new discovery for me. Pero ang gusto ko sa ipakita sa inyo dito is ito. So, may mga attachments, no? So, pwede mo i-download yan. So, kapag ka na-download mo na yan, you can go here and then click mo lang siya, no? Lalabas na sa browser mo, yung PDF file. So usually yung financial report, so medyo mahaba siya, no? So ilang pages? So 397. It won't really it's not worth your time to read all of these. Well, ako personally 2 years ako nag-invest, more than 2 years ako nag-invest. Hindi ko pa binasa ng isang buo, no? Yung financial statement or yung annual report ng isang company. Siguro nagsiskim lang ako ano ba nangyari, ano ba mga plans nila, kasi dyan nakasulat yun lahat eh. Diba? Ano yung mga forecast nila the previous year, natupad ba, ano ba yung mga parang challenges na hinarap nila. But anyway, ayun, ang una nyong pupuntahan is yung table of contents. More often than not, nasa item 7 palagi, no, yung financial statement. So i-zoom natin ng konti. Hindi nyo kasi nakikita siguro. Ayan, diba? So ang dali lang is-skim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nasa table of contents ka na agad. Pag minsan pa, walang mga gani-ganito yung ibang companies. So marami silang parang extra something dito sa start. But yeah, yung ibang companies parang page 2 or 3 pa lang nasa table of contents ka na. So yan, nasa item number 7 palagi yung financial statements. Wala pa ako nakitang financial statement na hindi nasa item 7. I'm not sure why, but yeah, parang ganun yung format. Anyway, so yeah, i-control F nyo lang kung nasa Windows kayo. Control F nyo lang yung financial. Or let's say, sabihin natin item 7 para mas madaling mahanap. And diba? So, tingnan nyo lang kung nasa na. Pag napuntahan nyo na yung item 7. Okay, ang daming sinasabing item 7. Nung tinignan ko yung LTG, parang 2 click ko lang nasa item 7. Nakita ko. Kasi pag sinabi mong financial statement, wait nga lang, tingnan lang natin yung page. Okay, my bad. Kasi usually talaga pagka kinontrol F ko yung item 7 or yung financial statement, sobrang dali lang siya makita. So financial statements, page 93 siya. So manual na lang natin, no? Hindi gumana yung control F eh. Napahiya pa ako. Anyway. Okay, so 94. Andito na daw yung financial statements nila. So nasan? Bakit ganito? Okay, ito na. I think. What? Ang gulo naman ito. So, pinapakilala pa nila yung nag-audit. I think, I'm not sure. I'm just skimming. Pag nakita kasi akong ganito, yan, diba? Parang balance sheet eh. Where is the balance sheet, bro? Bakit ang gulo, men? 94. Where the fuck? So hindi nagmamatch. Okay, I'm dumb. Okay, so 84 pa lang to technically. Kailangan natin siguro mag-jump ng malaki. Oh my god. Why is it so... Okay, ito na. Nakikita ko na ang liwanag. Okay. Grabe naman, hindi pa horizontal or vertical, I'm not sure. Tama yung term ko. Anyway, ito na. So yan, basta maghanap lang kayo ng mukhang balance sheet na. Okay, ito na. Yes, F1. Ba't ganon? Ba't kakaiba yung page? Okay, yan. Malimit, puro SGV nag-audit sa kanila. Okay, I wanted this video to be a bit short but humaba na. But anyway, we're here. Ayan, dito nyo makikita yung financial statement ng company. So yan, may parang certification na in-audit nila, blah blah blah. Don't really have to read that. And ito, makita nyo dito yung assets, then equity, and liabilities. So, I don't usually check these. Pupunta na ako dun sa financial statement din sa mga revenues and expenses. Yan. So, makikita nyo yung revenue from contracts with customers. lumaki siya from 2019 to 2020. Since yung explanation ko kanina, halos lahat is naka-work from home. So, like, marami nagpakabit na internet sa bahay. Then, yung expenses nila is medyo tumaas din since mas marami nga silang serve na customers. Then, depreciation, cost of sales, asset impairment, interconnection costs. Then, meron silang other income and expenses. And yung income before tax nila is 33. This is billion for sure. Yes, in million pesos. So, 33 billion pesos. And then, yung net income nga nila is 24.5 billion pesos. So, ganoon lang siya kasimple, no? And then, yung earnings per share attributable to common equity holders of PLDT. So, in basic and diluted is same lang, 112.12 pesos per share. And dito, yan, makita nyo yung net income. Same lang din. And then, makita nyo yung parang binabayaran ng taxes and all that. Yung may parenthesis is a negative amount. So, yeah. And ano ba? Total comprehensive income is 20.2 billion pesos. Okay. And ito, medyo bali yung leeg natin dito. I think, hindi naman siya ganun kahalaga, no? Subsidiaries and shit. Okay, so cash flow. Ito, tinitingnan ko lang din pero mabilis lang. Pero yung income talaga, no? Yung revenue and yung net income, yun yung lagi kong tinitingnan. Alright. So yan, pwede nyo rin tong like review para like to familiarize yourself with like everything, but it's not really necessary. Personally for me, that is like my way, but you can do yours. Cash flow. And yun, tapos na. So yeah, conclusion, kumita, mas malaking kinita ni PLDT noong 2020 compared to 2019 and compared to 2018. Kung gusto nyo mas makita yung history, like the past 5 years, pwede nyo makita yung sa BPI trade. Alright? So yeah, basically that's what I wanted to point out on this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo, a thing or two. And yeah, let me know sa comment section down below kung meron kayo natutunan or kung meron kayong questions. Balikan natin yung financial reports. So yan, accurate naman lahat. Kinaka-copy-paste lang ng PSE Edge papunta dito from their financial statements papunta dito. So yeah, 24.2. Tama ba? 24.5. Yeah, tama naman. So yeah, yan lang nila. Kinaka-copy-paste lang nila. So 24,580. 24,580. Alright. So tama naman. And ang wala lang kasi dito is yung like earnings. Well, merong earnings per share, basic and diluted. Wala lang yung mga PE ratio, PEG ratio. I'm not sure kung nakita ko siya dito. Ratio. Oh my god. Sobrang layo. Sige, check na rin natin since we're here already. Nasa parang page 100 something, right? I'm pretty confident na dito rin galing yun since nakikita mo siya sa BPI trade, dito lang din naman lahat galing yun. Okay, cash flow to. Ano ba to? Ang hirap kasi nababali yung leeg ko eh. So, yun, cash dividends. Okay. Net income. Okay, walang price ratios dito. Pero kanina nakita ko yung price ratios eh. Not sure where though. Liabilities na to eh. Okay. Price ratio. Okay, wala. Meron mong PE ratio? Wala. PEG ratio. Okay. So kung wala dito, I think yung BPI 3 din na-compute, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. Wala ka makukuha dito masyado, no? Well, andito pala. Actually, ko lang nalaman doon, no? Na meron din pala dito. Kasi usually talaga, nag-rely lang ako doon sa page nila sa PSE Edge, yung financial reports doon. But yeah, andito rin naman pala. Along with the financial ratios. Okay, that is a new discovery for me. But yeah, yun kasi, wala siyang like ratios. Well, pwede mo naman siyang i-compute lang. yung price to earnings ratio niya. Kasi ano lang naman yun, price over earnings. Eh dito naman makikita mo yung actually compute na natin ngayon. So, calcu. Kita nyo naman yung calcu ko. So, 112.12 yung earnings. Yung current market price is 1268 divided by, nalimutan ko kung magkano yung earnings per share. Short-term memory, 112. 112.12. So, yan. Yung PE ratio ni, what you call this, PLDT. Okay, short-term memory, ano ba? Diba? 11. Double check natin yan kung tama ba yung computation natin. Okay, so nasa BPI trade na tayo. Tell but dividend history, valuation dapat. So yan 103 yung earnings per share, no? Yung price to earnings is 950. So nag-close siya year-end price nung 2019, 988. So, calcu ulit tayo. Labas natin yan. So, 988 divided by 103.96. 950. Tama naman. Tama yung computation natin. Well, simple lang naman talaga yung formula. Okay. So, nasa 11 lang, no? 11 pesos yung earnings. Well, not earnings. Price to earnings ratio ni PLDT for 2020. So yeah, that's pretty good. Well, actually, you can say 2021 na, no? But you have to compute against the earnings for the first quarter of 2021, which is, I think, lalabas na rin anytime soon. Well, kakatapos lang nung March. Actually, last day ng March today. So I'm not sure kung kailan lalabas yan, but anytime soon, siguro April something. Siguro mid-month or late April or maybe early May. So yun guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo on this episode. If meron, please smash nyo yung like button kasi nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube para masuggest itong video na ito sa iba pang mga like-minded people like us, no? And para mas marami pang matuto about sa stocks and sa pagtingin, ng financial statements bago nyo bilhin yung particular stock. And if hindi nyo pa nagagawa, subscribe na kayo and ring the notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday. And if hindi nyo pa alam, meron ng channel membership si Peso Smart PH, so check out nyo lang yung second link dyan sa description if interested kayo. Again, thank you everyone for watching and listening. Stay safe. I'll see you all on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.